Hey guys, this is Marius, Fulgu, International Marketing Director, all the way from Romania, and wanted to show you an example of duplication that we've used in the team and brought huge results. So if you are the kind of person that really want to focus more on World Ventures and what it can bring you in the next period of time, watch this closely. 1 year ago, we had a promotion from World Ventures where we had the sign-up fee of $99, and by then I was in World Ventures for like 4 years and 8 months or 9 months, and there was a team of around 1,600 members, not only in Romania but also in some other countries. What happened when that promotion was launched, it was that we were prepared. It said that luck is when preparation meets opportunity, and combined with massive immediate action, we got the results. And the results were that in 3 months we got to close to 7,000 lineage members in World Ventures and hitting the rank of International Marketing Director. So what I'm going to show you today is called the Law of 21 and Magic 6 duplication system. We're going to speak very fast about Silver, Fast Pass, Ignition Kit, and just before going into the details, why are you willing to make World Ventures a priority in the next period of time? And I'm mentioning this because without having a motivation, without having a why, most probably, even if you start doing the action, you will stop somewhere along the way because there is nothing that would get you out of the bed in the morning. So the question is, what would make you engage? And you can pause this video, take 30 seconds with you. Maybe it's a big amount of money, maybe it's financial and time freedom, maybe you want to travel all around the world, maybe you just want to buy a new car, maybe you want to become an international trainer and inspire others. And I encourage you to put at least one thing here on the why list and what's your motivation. So the first step of the system is to create a list of 21 people that we're going to show very fast. And some of you are members for 1 or 10 or 14 years, some of you just started. Maybe you are watching this video and you are not even a member yet, and you are like questioning yourself, can I do this? Of course you can. Watch this closely and see exactly what it means. The second step of the system is to show 3 people per day in your first 7 days since you started this system. That will bring you an average of 6 new members. To be like 100% direct with you, you should have at least 10. Taking in consideration that we have the silver membership, which is only $25 a month. Everybody should have $25 on their card for something that can really change their future. But let's say at least 6. So we're gonna have a binary team, left and right team, 3 members in each side. And the third step is duplication. You will duplicate the first 2 steps with your team. And before going further, I'm gonna take a minute and speak about what does it mean to become an international marketing director. There is an income requirement, but there is also a lineage requirement, which is 3,000, maximum 1,000 from one personal lineage. And silver counts as 1, a gold member counts as 1, platinum counts as 2, titanium counts as 3. And we see here another 2 columns called Fast Pass and Ignition. So what does Fast Pass mean? When you're gonna have 4 personal members only, that means without the business, every member, not only personal members, every member from your organization will count as 150%. So you're gonna have now silver 1.5, gold 1.5, platinum 3, titanium 4. And Ignition Kit, it's a tool created by World Ventures to help us a lot in ranking up. It's $100, comes with 10 Dream Giver cards, a bunch of audio training series, and we have recordings from Momentum event that just happened in the United States, and counts as +1 in lineage. So a silver member, including Fast Pass and Ignition Kit, it's actually 2.5 instead of 1. Gold 2.5, platinum 4, titanium 5.5. And for the requirement to become international marketing director, you're gonna need 1200 silver, 1200 gold with ignition and fast pass. That's you to have them. Platinum 750 and titanium 545. And this is the system. It's actually quite easy. I'm gonna take as example the first 2 weeks. Week 1, you personally show 3 people a day. That's 21 exposures. 6 of them will become members. 4 of them will be travel oriented. 2 of them will also become business builders next to you. You're gonna have a total of 6. And in week 2, you're gonna have the 2 builders show 21 each. That's 42 exposures. 12 of them become members. 8 are travel oriented, and 4 will become business builders next to you. And now you have a total of 18 in your team. So I took in consideration that only 2 out of 6 will do what you did. And this is just a heads up, because many people say, this is one of those things where the people on the top makes all the money. That's called mostly a job. Here we get paid what we put into it. So just as an example, the last member enrolled, let's call her Anna, she can put in some effort, become a senior rep. That means 30 on the left team, 30 on the right team. And if she will be in your team, on this example, you're gonna have 69 on your right team, 9 on your left team. So you're gonna have 9/69. Anna is gonna be 30 and 30. She's gonna be a senior rep, and Anna makes more money than you, right? Now let's get deeply into the details. Law of 21 and Magic 6 duplication system. I took in consideration of a 30% sign-up ratio and a 33% duplication ratio. List of 21, show 3 people a day in the first 7 days, 6 new members, only 2 will duplicate. So this is how it's gonna look. Week 1, 21 exposure, 6 members, 4 travelers or travel oriented, only 2 will duplicate. You're gonna have a total of 6, and you are a 1-star representative, making 0 money right now. If you are silver, if you are gold, 170, and if they are gold, 170. If they are platinum, $800. If they are titanium, more than $1,000. But if you have the ignition and the fast pass, you already have 15 lineage, and that's gonna make you a 2-star representative. Week number 2, the 2 business builders will duplicate, 42 exposures, 12 new members, 8 travel oriented, 4 business builders, total 18 2-star representative. And if you have the ignition and the fast pass, that's going to be 45 in lineage, 3-star representative for you. Week number 3, we get to 24 new members, 42 in total, 3-star representative. And from now on, you're going to make $56 a month as a residual income. And if you have the ignition and the fast pass, that's 105 lineage. You are already a senior rep. Week number 4, 48 new members, 19 total. You are a senior rep making $150 passive income a month. And if you have the ignition and the fast pass, that's 225, and you are already a director. Week number 5, 96 new members, 186 in total, director, $965 a month. Now, out of this, 465 are passive income, 500 are lifestyle tier 2, and if you have the ignition and fast pass, already a marketing director as lineage. From marketing director, you also need an income requirement. So this example, it's only lineage based, right? To show you the lineage requirement. Week number 6, 192 new members, 64 business builders that will duplicate, total 378, still director, but making $1,400 a month, right? And if you have the ignition and the fast pass, you already have the lineage for regional marketing director. Week number 7, total 762 marketing director, and making close to $3,000 a month. And if you have the fast pass and the ignition kit, 1,900, and the lineage higher than the requirement for national marketing director. And week number 8, total 1,530 lineage, RMD requirement made as lineage, around $5,000 a month. And check that, 2 columns on the right side, already having the lineage for international marketing director. Just 8 weeks, 2 months, only 30% sign up ratio, only 33% duplication ratio. And week number 9, it's what you see down here. Now again, nothing will happen if you have all the knowledge in the world, unless you put and you take massive and immediate action. See you on the beaches of the world, see you at the events. Let's go.